Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, July 18th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. Beautiful day out there today. Hopefully you got out and enjoyed the weather, as we've had some nice weather. No rain to talk about, so that's even better. And the farmers market happened tonight with Kids Fest. Hopefully you got to go out there and enjoy it. Whatever you did, hope you're having a good night. Let's get you your headlines here. We start with a bag, BYOB, Bring Your Own Bag event. It's happening tomorrow, July 19th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at Fitchburg Hy-Vee. Did you know Americans use over 100 billion plastic bags each year? It's more than 300 bags per person annually. Let's change it together. Join the Fitchburg Resource Conservation Commission and Hy-Vee Fitchburg as they celebrate Plastic-Free July. Bring your own bag and help us reduce plastic waste. The first 100 shoppers will receive free reusable bags while supplies last to kickstart off an eco-friendly shopping journey. Had a chance to sit down with one of the Resource Conservation Commission members to talk about the importance of bags.
So the Fitchburg Resource Conservation Commission is in the process of helping to educate people on why it's important to bring your own bag, BYOB, when you shop. And so we partner with local stores in Fitchburg to educate people on the importance of bringing your own bag and saying no to plastic bags and paper bags. And these bags are great for vegetables, so you can say no to the plastic vegetable bags as well. And, just keeping bags in your car so that you have them handy every time you go shopping is very important. The amount of bags, plastic bags that, are being, one-time use only and then ending up in our landfills, and it's affecting our waterways, the wildlife, and the cost to produce these plastic bags as well as the, environmental footprint.
There you have it. Again, first 100 people who come out tomorrow starting at 10 a.m. get a free bag and use those reusable bags each and every time. All right, other news, we have our road projects going on, but part of that resurfacing project has to do with some chip sealing as well. That helps chip seal and crack seal work, that is. Typically, crack sealing is finished in a single day, followed by a cleanup operation within a week. Chip sealing entails a process where final cleanup and paint markings occur 2 to 3 weeks after the initial application of chips, ensuring optimal adhesion. We anticipate the project will be complete in August. For the latest updates and more, you can check out the project website. Strategic Plan Survey closes July 19th, and we want to hear from you. Residents, both English and Spanish, can take just 8 minutes to complete the survey. Your feedback will help us understand your needs and priorities as we engage our 5-year strategic plan process in 2024. The strategic plan will shape the city's goals and ambitions through 2029. Join us in creating a bright future in Fitchburg. Again, to see that survey and take it, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. We got it out there for you. And again, we'll have updates on this throughout, and continue to ask for your feedback throughout the process on our website, which we have a website dedicated just to the plan, which you can find at our website at fitchburgwi.gov. And finally, a reminder again that July concerts at McKee was rescheduled because of the storms earlier this week. They'll be back here on Monday, July 22nd, from 6 to 9 p.m. at McKee Farms Park. Because of the weather, they moved the band Mascot Theory, who will be coming back. They're coming back here for our rescheduled date on the 22nd. And of course, you'll enjoy some great food carts. Bring your picnic basket, bring your friends, bring whoever you want to, but come out and enjoy it. And hopefully we'll have some good weather. Mascot Theory is a very awesome band if you haven't got a chance to see it. Although we've had a really good lineup so far with our bands this year, as Chamber does a great job with this. But nevertheless, come on out for that. And if you want to find out more information, you can check out the Chamber's website, certainly, for the upcoming concerts. We got one more concert coming up in August, so make sure you get out there for this concert. And again, bring the family, bring the picnic basket, or enjoy those food carts and adult beverages as well. We hope you have a good evening.